Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do division with decimals. We will begin by understanding the fundamental parts of any division problem. You will learn to correctly identify the dividend, divisor, and quotient. Setting up your problem accurately is the first crucial step towards finding the correct answer. This foundational knowledge, which is essential, will prepare you for the subsequent steps in decimal division. The next critical step involves making your divisor a whole number. You achieve this by moving its decimal point all the way to the right. Remember, whatever you do to the divisor, you must also do to the dividend. So, shift the dividend's decimal point the exact same number of places to the right. If you run out of digits, simply add zeros as placeholders. This ensures your division remains mathematically equivalent. Now that your divisor is a whole number, you can perform long division just like you normally would. A very important step is to immediately place the decimal point in your quotient directly above its new position in the dividend. Then, proceed with the standard division steps: divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. You can continue this process until you achieve a remainder of 0 or reach a specific number of decimal places, perhaps 2 or 3. Finally, it is always a good practice to verify your answer. To do this, simply multiply your calculated quotient by the original divisor. The result of this multiplication should be equal to your original dividend. If there was any rounding during the division, the product might be very close, but not exactly the same. This quick check provides confidence in the accuracy of your decimal division.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.